Hi, Populist. Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. Yes, it's that time of year again when we have Michigan's beautiful fall season to gaze at. Right? We have an incredible football season ahead of us. Go Lions! And most importantly, as you gather around loved ones this Thanksgiving, I hope none of us miss a moment of joy and celebration. And remember how blessed and thankful we are that you've decided to work somewhere awesome. See, this is a great time of year to share what we're grateful for. So, here's what the members of our leadership team would like to share with you.
Hey everyone, it's Danny from Business Development. I'm grateful for this entire team. I'm grateful for how committed you all are. I'm grateful for your professionalism. I'm grateful that this company continues to expand, and with that expansion, we get to share our culture and our vision for making life better with not only new team members as we grow and strengthen our team, but also new customers as we bring on new partnerships with customers and being able to show them who we are, how great our team is, what this vision means to us. So, it's really just a joy to work alongside all of you, and there's nowhere else I'd rather be than here at Populist.
Hi Populist, it's Peyton with Human Resources, and I'm grateful for the incredible team full of dedicated employees that we have. Your work does not go unnoticed. I appreciate every bit of hard work and late night effort that you put in. Your commitment to excellence is what allows Populist to grow and thrive, and I'm proud to work alongside each of you.
Hey Populist team, it's Matt Eller, Director of Finance, and I just wanted to take a minute to shout out the entire team and say how thankful I am for every single one of you. It's truly a blessing to be a part of this team and to get to witness the growth that Populist is experiencing from inside and out. And I think it's just a testament to the drive and the dedication of the team. And so I'm super excited to be able to keep pushing Populist forward alongside all of you. So again, I just want to say how grateful I am for this team and wish you all and your families a happy holidays.
Hey, Populist team, it's Mike Eller here. I just wanted to take a minute and wish you all happy holidays with Thanksgiving coming up. Just wanted to tell you what awesome team members y'all are out there in the field, in the office. I just came out of a all operations manager meeting that happens about once a month, and they get together and they discuss issues that are going on out in job sites, and they solve those issues. What an incredible team they are, and they're always speaking highly of all of you in the field as well. So just want to shout out to all of y'all. We couldn't do this without each other, and just wishing you all the happiest of holidays. Take care.
Hi, Populist team. This is Steve Hamill, Director of Operations, and I wanted to express a few thoughts of why I am thankful over this past year. Several things come to mind when I think about what I am thankful for. I first think, where else would I be today? Who else would I be working for? And what would life be like? And it is not hard to know that I'm very happy where I'm at. It is great to be a part of an organization where the people you work with, you enjoy, and you appreciate and agree with the overall decisions, drive, and push of the company. And as I look past over the past just over 3.5 years, it has been exciting to see the changes and the things that have happened here. Just over a year ago, we were 2 branch managers different than we are today. We're actually short 2 branch managers a year ago. And we've hired account managers since then. And so our management team continues to develop. And I'm very excited about the team that has been assembled here. But not only that, since I've been here just over 3.5 years, our overall employee team has over doubled. And it's exciting to see that kind of growth. I'm also excited to see the kinds of customers that we are partnering with and the different kinds of industries that have been added to the company. It's just been a fun and exciting place to be a part of, and I am very thankful for it.